This Century 21 Prestige Realty property video is presented by Jenny Tanner. Perfect home for a large family. Foyer, family dining area, large family room west/rock wood burning fireplace, wood beams on ceiling, formal family room. Built-in cabinetry. Enclosed sunroom west/heat and air. Large laundry room west/sink and pantry. Extra LG master bedroom, walk-in closet. 2 water heaters. Can be a perfect home with a little TLC. Additional acreage is available for purchase. Realtors, please see documents in Realtor notes. As is for more information, review the details below or contact Jenny Tanner at 501-982-7474.